Lab Guy here. Just a real quick update. I'm breadboarding various horizontal scan circuits that will eventually drive the Chief. I'm verifying that they're scanning on the Cyclops, which is precisely what I built this for, and we are getting good horizontal rate scan waveforms on the scope. So that's my report at the moment. I've been getting help from friends. I'd like to give a shout out to my friend Howie, who has really helped me out in the last couple of days and helped me make some progress. Now tomorrow I have to go out and buy miscellaneous leaded capacitors because I converted all of my inventory to surface mount parts. So I have very few leaded components to try different values for various capacitors in the scan circuit, like this little guy here. He can vary anywhere from 50 picofarads to 1 nanofarad. Like this one here is 1 nanofarad, this is 56 picofarads. And the flyback diode. This configuration has the yoke as the upper inductor in the circuit. But at any rate, when I have a finished working design, I'll go into more detail. So until then, this is Lab Guy signing off.